In this video, I'm going to show you how to send your OBS recordings to your mobile phone quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the OBS application on your computer. At the top menu, click on File, then select Show Recordings. This will open the folder where all your recorded videos are saved. Now open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. In the top right corner, click on the square grid icon and choose Drive to open Google Drive. Once Google Drive opens, click on the New button in the top left corner and select File Upload. Browse through your files and select the OBS recordings you want to transfer to your phone. After selecting them, click Open and wait for the files to finish uploading. You'll see the upload progress on the right-hand side. After the upload is complete, switch to your mobile phone. Open the App Store or Play Store and search for Google Drive. Install the app if you don't already have it. Once installed, open the app and sign in using the same Google account you used on your computer. Inside the Google Drive app, you'll see the videos you just uploaded. Tap on the recording you want to download, then press the three dots, the menu icon, and select Download. The video will automatically save to your phone's gallery or camera roll. That's how you can easily transfer your OBS recordings to your mobile phone.